Hello, welcome back. Happy Sunday. I can't wait to draw with you guys, but before we do that, I first would like to give a shout out to St. Maria Goretti Catholic School in Madison, Wisconsin. I painted a mural there last year. It's always nice to be back in a familiar setting because I went to Catholic school when I was a kid, so I had a great time there. So thank you, St. Maria Goretti Catholic School. Alright, so let's choose a character to mash up. So we're now up to about 150 entries. So thank you everyone for suggesting characters to mash up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on YouTube. Alright, let's choose one, random one. I'll put the cup down. Okay, so this is from, let's see, Brittany Donovan. And she suggests for us to mash up a dragon and a cookie. Wow. Wait, that's like yummy and mythical at the same time. We're gonna have so much fun. And you know what? This may be our most kind of complicated drawing to mash up to illustrate. So let's get started. I'll turn on my projector and go to my document camera. Okay, remember, there's no erasing, so I'm using a Sharpie and I draw really fast. If you need to pause the video, please do so. And you don't have to draw exactly how I'm illustrating the dragon cookie. Alright, the first thing we need to draw will be sort of like a not so perfect, a little bit jagged cookie shape. And don't draw a complete circle, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Well, mine's not even close to being perfect, but cookies are not perfectly round, so that's okay. So let's have a big bite mark. I mean, who can resist a cookie? So yummy. Alright, let's add some chocolate chips. So, not a surprise, I'll probably do 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you can fill them in. You can also do this later on. But while I'm filling the chocolate chips in, I just want to show you how I choose a random person's entry each day. So this is the number of entries. So it's been a while since Brittany turned in a suggestion, and what she turned in, and which YouTube episode it is, so I can keep track. Okay, so I'll fill these in. Okay, chocolate chip cookies. Alright, so this is also a good time for everyone to catch up. We're almost done. Okay, I'll move this. And now we'll draw the dragon's head. So that's the cookie. And draw sort of like an S-shape line. Alright, again, pause the video if you need to. Then let's draw sort of like the nose part. And let's make this dragon happy. Give him a smile. Then complete the bottom portion of the head. There you go. Then, not a surprise, draw one big eye and the smaller one. Or in this case, they're the same size, so oops. Alright, draw the two letter C's inside for the pupils and then fill them in. Again, his eyes, or her eyes, they don't have to look exactly like mine. Okay, let's give the dragon some horns with details. Okay. Let's give him some cute ears. Here, another one there. Let's add some nostril detail. Again, pause if you need to. Then add some jagged teeth if you'd like. You know, we don't have a lot of room, but if you want, you can even add fire. So the flames for me they sort of look like fall leaves, and I'll do a smaller one inside. There you go, it's more dragon-like now. Let's add details on the chest. So add a curved line and add some more lines inside. Okay, Does it look fun? Alright, let's add some phenomenal, amazing wings. So, add a triangle like this. Then kind of repeat it. Like so. Now it looks like a really, really skinny wing. So let's add some more details. So the wing, this wing will look fuller. Then add, if you'd like, add details inside. Alright. Then repeat it closer to the bottom. Okay. Now add the jagged lines underneath. Add the inside details. Let's pause and appreciate our dragon cookie in progress. After this, let's draw a long tail. Hope I'm not going too fast. Oh yeah, let's add some more triangles to make it more reptilian-like, the dragon cookie. So sort of repeat the fangs inside. Details. I hope you all are having fun, because I am. We are almost done. Now let's add some legs. So draw a curved line here, another curved line there, then we'll draw the feet. You know, this is complicated. I'm having a hard time describing what you guys should be drawing. So repeat this, another curved line, and more triangular shapes. Okay? If you want, you can add hands and fingers. Okay? But these two are optional. So, I believe he's enjoying flying. Ooh, this is a complicated one. When you get a chance, please post some of your drawings. I'd love to see them. So, I'm signing this because I'm giving the dragon cookie to Brittany Donovan. I will turn off my projector. And, oops. Hello, Brittany. When you get a chance, please email me your address. It's smileyb@bataclan.com. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll know when the new episode is released, because I'm doing this every day. But before we sign off, I first would like to share a teacher suggestion. This is from Michelle Skolnick from the Deacon's School in Warren, Massachusetts. So she asked us to maybe in the future if we can do a social distancing related drawing. So maybe suggest 2 items for us to draw. So one for the left side, right side, 2 characters, and maybe an arrow in the middle saying 6 feet. So turn in your ideas below and also give me some more mashup ideas. Yesterday I had a hard time with my clicker, so I hope this time it works. It did eventually work. So see you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the 2nd week of my daily show. Hope this works. It's not working. Oh, maybe that's not.